Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tint Dodge Durango taillights. First, thoroughly clean your taillights with a mild soap and water solution, then dry them completely. This crucial step removes dirt and grime, ensuring proper adhesion of the tint film. Next, gather your materials: the tint film, a sharp utility knife, a squeegee, and a heat gun. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's apply the tint film. Start by cutting the film slightly larger than your tail light's surface. Liberally spray the tail light and the adhesive side of the film with your application solution, which is typically water with a few drops of baby shampoo. Carefully place the wet film onto the tail light, ensuring it covers the entire surface. This solution allows you to slide and adjust the film for perfect placement. With the film in place, it's time to smooth it out. Use your squeegee to push out all the water and air bubbles, working from the center outwards. For curved sections of the tail light, gently apply heat with your heat gun. This makes the film pliable, allowing it to conform perfectly to the contours. Once smoothed, carefully trim any excess film around the edges using a sharp utility knife for a clean, professional finish. After trimming, take a moment to inspect your work for any small bubbles or imperfections. You can often gently lift and re-squeegee small areas if needed. It's important to let the tint cure properly. Avoid washing your vehicle for at least 3 days. This allows the adhesive to fully bond, ensuring a long-lasting and durable tint. Your Dodge Durango's taillights will now have that sleek, custom look.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.